everyone, I'm Isabel, and I'm here to discuss with you all the meaning, examples, effects, causes, and solution of climate change. So first of all, what is the meaning of climate change? Climate change is described as the change in the average conditions such as temperature and rainfall in a region over a long period of time. For example, 20,000 years ago, much of the United States was covered in glaciers, but in the United States today, we have warmer climate and fewer glaciers. But it does not mean it is a good thing. Here are some examples of effects of climate change onto our oceans, weather, food sources, and in our health. Climate change has consequences onto our oceans, which are the rising in sea levels, the shrinking of mountain glaciers, the ice melting at a faster rate, which are all causing flash flood in coastal regions. Next is our weather, which are intense major storms, large floods, heavy snowfalls, and more frequent longer droughts. And in our food sources, which are making growing crops much difficult, plant and animals shifting in different places, water source being diminished, the change in flowers, and plant blooming in faster times. Lastly is in our health, which are people having asthma, heart disease, and lung cancers, which is caused by rapid increase of smog in urban areas. This is some of the effects of climate change in our environment and to ourselves. So we now know the bad effects of climate change, but what are the cause of it in the first place? One of the major causes of climate change is the greenhouse effect, but it is also a natural phenomenon. However, the increase in greenhouse gases is linked to human activities. It is thus no surprise that the world's leading climate scientists believe that human activities are very likely the main cause of global warming since the mid-20th century, because humans has a lot of bad contributions, such as major production of fossil fuels, major deforestation activities, intensive farming of many manufacturers, huge waste disposal activities, large mining project, overconsumption of Earth's surface, and humans' overpopulation. It is sad that we are the ones that is causing the most damage onto our own home and to ourselves, but it does not mean that we can't fix that, because we are also the solution to our own problem. If we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy resources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emission, we can reduce the effects of climate change. But as individuals, we can also reduce the effects of climate change in our own little ways, such as turning off electrical and electronic gadgets when not in use, reuse and recycle household, school, and office items, let clothes and hair dry by themselves by not using dryers or blowers, shifting to energy-saving, low-energy consuming appliances, and converting to efficient, low-energy lighting. Our individual actions today can help slow down climate change in the coming decades and century. Now that we know what climate change and its effects, causes, and solutions, we can surely save our home for the generations to come.